Alright, number 2. I'm going to graph this one in slope-intercept form just to show you the different ways. That's the one that I prefer. So I'm going to take this first equation of 4y minus 7x greater than 28, and we're going to solve for y. I'm going to add the 7x and move it over. 4y greater than positive 7x now plus 28 because it's positive. Divide everything by 4. And so this gives us y is greater than, we're going to leave this as a fraction, 7 over 4 x, and this will be plus 7. So I'm going to use my y-intercept as 1 point, that is 0, 7. From here we can tell that we will have a dotted line. Okay. One of my points will be 0, 7. It's my y-intercept since I have this equation in slope-intercept form. Mouse getting stuck. Okay, so we have 0, 7 for a slope-intercept, and now we're going to use the slope to graph the next point. So we're going to start here, and we don't have enough space to go up from here 7 times because this is rise over run. So we will be going up 7 and right 4. So instead of doing that, we're going to go down 7 and left 4. That will be the same as going up and right, down and left. Okay, so if we go down 7, we'll be back here, and left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will put us here. That ordered pair is negative 4, 0. So probably the same 2 points you would get if you did the intercept. Okay, also we need to decide which section to shade. Okay, so this says y is greater than. Okay, greater than on this graph would be above, the shade up. Okay, so y is greater than. So that would be section B. Okay, the next equation we have is y is greater than negative 4. Okay, so the fact that we have y equal, we would just have 1, 2, 3, 4, and again that will be a dashed line, and y is greater than that would be up here. Okay, so y equals 4 on this line. If you go left and right, x is changing, but we're staying on y equals negative 4. So when we pick ordered pairs, it doesn't matter what we pick because y has to be negative 4. So we're going to have a dashed line. This time I'm going to put negative 4 for the y value. X can be anything we want. So we'll just put 0 and 6. Okay. And you get that dashed line there. And then the section we shade is going to be C above the line because y is greater than. Okay, and then last one, we want to know which section would be the overlap of both. Okay, so here are the two lines. One we shaded above, and this one we shaded above. So the section that overlaps both above, if we laid those pictures on top of each other, would be B.